Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got another package from Massdrop, and this one I am super excited about because I think I know which one this is. And this is something that I ordered back last summer. So it is March right now, and I ordered this I think in July, maybe July or August, something like that. I can't remember the exact date. It's been long enough ago I don't remember. And I tried looking it up, and it's just too far back. I don't remember. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to show you what I got. This is another Massdrop Exclusive. So and we're going to open it with this really cool, this is a Backwoods Custom Knives knife, and that is fossilized mammoth ivory with some mosaic pins, and look at that Damascus, pretty sweet. Okay, so we're going to open that with this dude, and very sharp knife. But here we go. We got my receipt. We'll get that out of the way, and then we got a box in here. Guess I'm off camera. There we go. We got a box in there. Lucky what I got. I think we got it backwards. Ooh, there we go. So, Eric Ochs Orca. This may end up being my new favorite knife. We'll see. But I've been very excited about this knife since I ordered it. And I think I got in early enough that I get the first run production perks, because basically if you order the knife before it is in production, then you get in on the first production perks. So basically what that entails is you get serialization, and you get to do a Q&A with the designer, Eric Ochs, and then you get a $10 credit towards another purchase on Massdrop. So all that's pretty cool. The downside is you end up waiting a long time to get your knife because, like I said, I ordered it last summer, and, here we are 6 months later, almost. Well, not quite, but, had to wait a while. So let's go ahead and open it up, because I'm super excited about this. You can see around there, titanium liner lock knife. So we do have titanium liners that are going to be anodized. And you could get it in a bunch of different colors. So I think, well, I'll show you what I got. But here you go, Massdrop. So this is a Massdrop produced knife. If you're unfamiliar with Massdrop's exclusives, a lot of times they will partner with a custom knife designer and then make a production knife based on that designer's design. So in this case, we got Eric Ochs, who has been doing this, I think, about 10 years or so, but he's a self-taught knife maker, which I think is really awesome. I think he's originally from Oregon, and anyways, he's made some really cool designs, and we're going to go ahead and open this bag up. A lot of the Massdrop exclusives come in these black nylon bags, but they're really nice. They're fuzzy inside, and look at that. We got a little cleaning cloth in there that says Ochs on it. All right, it's for Eric Ochs. Ochs Works, that's his company. So then you get the knife in there, and look at that. Now, I know not everybody's into blue knives, and some people hate blue on knives. Not me. I actually really like blue on knives. And so that is a really, really nice blue, in my opinion. I am super happy with that. Pictures and probably this video don't do that color justice. That is just a really nice color blue. And I realize I'm colorblind, but I can see that one faux show. And then you got those that bronzed hardware on there. So look at that pivot. Look at the detail on that. All Torx bits for everything, all the hardware. But man, look at the fit and finish on there. You do have a stippled G10. So that they made these, and you could either get different colors of G10 or you could get carbon fiber. I cheaped out a little bit and got the G10, but I specifically made that decision not based on price. It was actually what I wanted to get. I thought that the blue color was more important than getting the carbon fiber. So there you go. Whatever. So you could get glacier blue, which is what I have here. You could get forest green, you could get madrone brown, obsidian black, and then after that you move up to the marbled carbon fiber. So you could either get that with blue or purple hardware, and that added an extra $120 to this price. And I don't remember what the price was on this. I think it was somewhere around $200, but I'll put that up here in text. But at any rate, I think the knife itself is just beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this out. And there goes my printer again. That was a super smooth action. Let's do that again. Oh yeah, man, nice. Very, very nice. So we got a 4.4 ounce overall weight on this thing. The handle is the G10, but then you got those titanium liners that are anodized, and they're anodized that same bronze color as the hardware, which is just super cool. Very beautiful. There you can see the two colors together, right? But very, very nice. And then you do have, it looks textured on that G10, but it's pretty smooth. The only texture you have up here is with the stippling. And then that pocket clip is sculpted to match the contour of the blade or the handle there. And I just think that looks awesome. I love that you cannot see the hardware holding that thing on. It just kind of looks like it's floating out there, which just looks badass to me. But it is nice and up close to the handle, and there's no bull crap on it. It is just smooth and simple and nice. So I like that. There you got the Massdrop logo. So there you go. Got like a harpoon style blade, which of course goes with the whole nautical theme on this, the orca whale. And the handle was designed to kind of mimic the shape of the whale's body. But the way that thing is curved, that is super comfortable. That is nice. Love the way that feels in the hand. Love it. Now, it doesn't have any jimping up here on the spine, but that's not a huge deal. If you wanted to choke up on that a little bit, right where that harpoon swedge comes up there, you're locked in. You're locked in right there. Now, it is kind of it's hard to see, but it is like a stone wash finish on there, and there you see the Ochs Works logo. You got the anodized thumb studs there, which I guess we didn't try those out. Let's try that. Oh yeah, super nice. Flips right out. Perfect on that. Blade steel is RWL 34. So that blade steel is actually named after knife maker Bob Lovelace. And basically it is a really good steel in terms of you know, it'll get a wicked sharp edge on there, so it'll sharpen up super sharp with relative ease, and it's got you know, really good edge retention. So it is a powder steel. It's got excellent toughness and strength. So I've never had an RWL-34, so I can't talk about personal experience with it, but you know, everything I've read about RWL-34 has been very positive. So I'm looking forward to trying that out on this baby. So there you go, RWL-34. And you do have a you know, pretty high saber grind. It is a flat grind, but not full flat, right? So it only goes up to right there. You do have a bit of a drop point on there with that really attractive swedge, and that is one of the things that Eric has popularized, is that upswept, well, not upswept, downswept swedge there, but I think that looks really attractive. So that actually, after Eric designed that, that actually influenced a lot of the other knife makers. So you start seeing those on a lot of other knives. And then you got that, you got the back spacer on there. And I like the detail in there with the little divots in there. I think that looks cool. And that obviously matches the color of the pocket clip. Lockup wise, very early, making great contact, so no problems there. Very nice. And then look at that, holy shit. Sorry about the language, but mine is number 2. Number 2. I have knife number 2 from this run. How cool is that? Would have been cooler if I had just bought mine a little earlier, I guess, and got number 1, but number 2 is not bad. So there you go. I did buy this early, I told you. So pretty stoked about that. Serial number 2. How about that, guys? Anyways, it does come with a warranty. I think it's a lifetime warranty, actually. I'll have to check on that. I'll put that in text. You know, the pivot is on caged bearings. You know, it's just got a super nice action on there. Blade length on that is 3.5 inches, which is also 8.9 centimeters. Thickness on the spine is 0.16 inches, which is 4.1 millimeters. And then the handle length is 4.5, so 4.5 inches on that handle. And then the overall length is 8 from tip to tail here. Got 8 inches. So there you go. Let's cut something. We got a knife, we got to cut something with it. Otherwise it's not a real review. There we go, the bag. But yep, very slicey, very sharp. Yep, very nice. Yep. Let's do some magazine paper real quick. Get this bull crap out of the way. Get our magazine, our crappy cut up Bud K magazine. Let's see what we're going to cut today. Looks like some hats, some Second Amendment hats. So here we go. I'm going to cut through the Bud K. Very nice. We are able to make a radiused edge there. So very sharp. All right, very cool. Very cool. I don't fold the paper over as I'm trying to cut it. There you go. Very nice. Nice edge on it. Beautiful knife, in my opinion, of course. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think about the Eric Ochs Orca. I'm stoked about it. This might be my new favorite knife. Actually, I think it is. I can't promise I'm going to use it a lot, though. This might be one that just goes on the shelf, but I do love it. I love it enough I might not want to mess it up. I'll keep using the thresher maybe, but man, that grip is just so comfortable. And that's another thing about Eric Ochs is, you know, his motto is, if you don't have a nice handle, you don't have a nice knife. And he's definitely lived up to that motto here in this knife. I mean, that handle is awesome. Can't say enough good about how that knife feels in the hand. One of the best ones I've had. Maybe the best, I don't know. It's good, really good. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna be busy with work for a while, so I do have a couple videos in the queue that I'll probably upload over the next couple days. But anyways, there won't be a whole lot, probably, you know, just a couple here and there. So anyways, there we go. Number 2, Eric Ochs Orca number 2. Thanks for watching, guys.